for the Chicken Valentine's Day Shy-Ho Farm dance. Are you guys excited? Hang on.
Mother, could you post this for me? Today. It is so cold.
Hello, my friends. I have come from over there to bring you this. Can you read it? Qué bonitos ojos tienes. De bello de eres dos quieres. I have no idea what they're saying.
I wonder if the girls can translate this.
Hey you guys! You guys ready for Valentine's Day dance? I got you guys Valentines, look! Just bonus llama alpaca. Hey Raven. Hey Mom, what's up? Can you read this for me, please? Alex, let me say.
Dear Bok Bok, I just want you to know that I think that you are an irreducible juice box, and I can't believe that you ever even looked at me, much less came into my house for any extended amount of time. If I ever see you again, you're going to feel the might of my armpit. Both of them. That being said, I've been spending a lot of time with Mommy. She talks a lot about being a good person. But I'm not a person, and neither are you. And if I see you again, you can be assured that I am going to bring you down. I'm going to bury you. However, the truth is, Bok Bok, is that I love you. And I've always loved you as my sister. And it's Valentine's Day. And I thought it was time to let you know that I do, in fact, love you very much. You just made me very, very mad for a long time. But I hope one day that maybe we could have a picnic or an Easter egg hunt, something like that. If you have responded well to this letter, give Mommy a gift. Give Mommy a sign to bring home. And until next time, to you and Snowdrop, I love you very much. Happy Valentine's Day. Love.
Love, Shy. Really? Is that what it said? No, I was just kidding. That's in Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. Okay. Party on. Aw. was so much fun. Valentine's Day from everybody here. Thanks for stopping by. We'll never know what Shy Shy wrote to those guys. We'll never know. It's okay. I know what it says. I wrote it.